The supply chain industry has fed me and my family for over 30 years. If you're in the supply chain industry, do you know that your customers are looking for you every single day on Google? Have you started your digital transformation yet? Throughout my 30-plus year career, I noticed companies in supply chain like manufacturing, warehousing, transportation, logistics were all struggling to grow, even though they were national brands, especially in this post-pandemic digital era. The biggest contributor to this problem that I found was the way companies were trying to acquire new clients. It was massively outdated, a huge waste of time and resources. For example, some of the companies that we serviced had representatives going from warehouse to warehouse, begging to speak to decision makers, trying to get past a receptionist, hiring BDRs, business development representatives, and SDRs, having them comb through non-existent, really expensive cold call lists, or constantly trying to upsell their current client database through trying to get additional referrals. Most of these outdated business practices didn't really contribute to the bottom line, didn't get any ROI, and really didn't move the needle in their business, especially in this post-pandemic new digital era. My name is Paul Pierce, and as I said before, the supply chain industry has fed me and my family for the last 30 plus years. I first started in supply chain when I was 16 years old working for Home Depot Canada. Quickly moved my way up to be one of their youngest managers across Canada. I was then headhunted to go over to one of the largest equipment manufacturers, Toyota Industries, through the Raymond Corporation, where I was responsible for their national safety training portfolio and grew that division to over 7 figures. I have also been nominated and awarded different board of director seats on different committees in the supply chain industry, such as the Canadian Supply Chain Sector Council, CSCSC, the MHMSO, and currently I actually sit as the vice chair for the CSA B335 lift truck standard across Canada. I started noticing a few of my LinkedIn connections and business associates directly DMing me, looking for different solutions and recommendations on how they can grow their online positioning for their business because of the success we were having with our clients. In order to solve this problem, I started Empires Digital. We are a boutique digital marketing agency that specializes in SEO, search engine optimization, for the supply chain industry. We basically help supply chain companies get on page 1 of Google. Why are we different? Well, we're one of you. We actually live and breathe in the supply chain industry, and we definitely know where your pain points are. We only work with supply chain companies who value qualified leads through online positioning and presence to help grow their business in this post-pandemic era with predictable and scalable online systems. We are not this huge marketing machine that takes on any and all clients in any and all niches and in any and all industries. We only work with about 20 to 30 companies in pre-selected supply chain categories. Once we fill that category with a prospective client, we only work with them exclusively to provide them massive results, and we will not work with one of their competitors in that same category. We do not work with companies who want to delay the inevitable digital transformation and are not interested in taking their company to the next level, or that are unwilling to change or adapt to the new digital revolution that is happening all around them. I understand that changing your whole current client acquisition system and how you garner business today is very scary. But if you truly want to grow your business in a more predictable, scalable, and sustainable way, you must rank your business on the first page of Google so you can acquire the customers that are looking for your services every day. Do you ever go onto page 2 or 3 to try and look for services that you're looking for on Google? No? Exactly. Neither do your customers. If you are a supply chain company struggling to get on page 1 of Google, then I encourage you to book a complimentary SEO website audit by clicking the link below. Our SEO digital strategist will do a deep dive into your business before our meeting. We will also see where you currently rank on Google and what we need to do to get you on page 1 of Google. We will evaluate your current SEO positioning and make strategic recommendations to get you to rank higher, whether you work with us or not. We do this with zero risk to you, a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and we don't do any long-term contracts because we are purely performance-based. Meaning, if we haven't ranked your company or its pages higher than when you first started with us, then we will continue to work for you for free until we get those pages ranking higher. In today's world, the biggest difference between a manufacturing, transportation, warehousing, or logistics company that is growing and one that is not is strictly their digital transformation and the ability to get on page 1 of Google. Let's have a quick conversation. Click on the link below so we can provide you with a complimentary website SEO audit. This is not a high-pressure sales call. I want to emphasize that. You will be speaking directly with me or one of our digital strategists, not a salesman. We will discuss your current Google positioning, discuss any errors or opportunities, and tackle any improvements to your business. At the end of the call, we'll provide you with the SEO website audit that we did on your business, and we will also provide you with an SEO playbook that will help guide you in some of the opportunities that you can do to help your company rank on page 1 of Google, even if you decide to do no business at all with us. Ask yourself one question. Where do you rank on Google today? Wouldn't it be amazing to rank on page 1 of Google so you can get new business, new leads, and destroy your competition? Book your free SEO website audit and get your free SEO playbook simply by clicking the button below. Let's get started.